Okay, if it is going to happen, then everything should be stopped. I don't want any mission to be successful,
Yeah.
because if those people may be different species, they are living peacefully, and if we humans are going to be that cruel, so I don't want any mission to be successful. Then I guess argued that we should explore universe, we should explore space,
Yeah.
so that we can know where we are.
Yeah, exploration is the fundamental idea of any human being, don't you think? Because that's what we have done. So, as
No.
far as we could explore land, we moved from one place to another, and then we created boats, then we moved from one continent to another, and when now we are just making bigger and bigger boats that can move in space. Those are the
I think now
spacecraft.
it's enough. We should end the exploration.
Yeah,
I think
see,
nobody would be agreeing to it. But when you'll see the movie Avatar, you'll literally feel the things that, okay, how can things get turned into?
no, yeah, see, I'll tell you, you are
Yeah.
actually extremely correct.
Yeah.
That is how any big civilization in this world also degraded. It degraded Greece. Greece tried to capture a lot. Alexander happened the same thing, wanted to capture the whole world, eventually met India, and then the fall started. And same goes with whatever you look at. You can look at the Roman Empire, you can look at the Egyptian Empire.
Germans like that.
Germans also,
Yeah.
that was the problem. They
Yeah,
were
yeah.
conquering the whole Europe, and then
And
America
then-
said, okay, we are going to conquer Germany now, and then they
Yeah.
pushed back.
Yeah.
Right, so there's a threshold. You should stop there, but nobody is able to stop, and maybe that might be the reason of our demise, that we
Yeah.
want to explore too much.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like, is it the genetics in human beings only, or all the other living creatures are so stupid?
And whoever has said this, that excess of everything is harmful, that is true.
But when do we know that we have reached the excess?
Yeah, if you are going out of Earth, that is excess.
No, that is the thing. I think that humans are not tuned for that. They don't really know what is the excess. They are just meant for conquering and finding
There is no
out and
measure
exploring.
of anything, Ashish, if you don't have any reference point.
Yeah, there's another
Right.
problem that peace and power does not really come together.
Yes.
If you really want to be peaceful, there's always going to be someone more powerful who is going to mess with your peace.
Yeah, these all missions are happening to make some other planet habitable, right?
Yeah.
And obviously, lot of argument, lot of things, lot of maybe war activities will happen once people will start moving to other planet because of some problems here on Earth. That I can say for sure.
Yeah.
And that will also lead to these casualties and all.
Hmm.
And I don't think so there is any use of it if you are literally investing that much money for that. It does not make any sense to me.
Yeah, moving to another planets. See, you have to start the exploration at some point or the other.
Yeah, it's okay, but that should only be for the purpose of
See,
exploration.
you won't be saying those things if your grandchildren are dying because scarcity of air is there on the Earth planet, right? So you would
Ashish,
want
if
them to.
something like that happens today, like, it's okay, accept it.
What if?
Nature call.
What if you are seeing me dying because there's no air over here? Won't you run out of this planet if you have the resources?
That's human tendency, Ashish, but it can also be the case, no? You'll die after 70 or 80.
But will you tell me, Ashish, man, you're going to die anyways, man. How about you just die right now?
No, it's like, if that is uncontrollable. If that is happening,
No.
you will die, then I'll also die. No.
See, this is the empathy, okay? You won't be able to do that. You would rather choose to kill yourself. That is much easier.
Yeah, obviously.
It is better to die yourself than to see your loved one dying, okay?
Yeah.
It is pretty obvious. So let us say there's a grandchildren that you're having and that person is dying. So won't you want Elon Musk to move that person to some other place there so that that person can live? Even cockroaches has that ability.
But that
Any
is
living
also
being.
unfair, Ashish. War will happen, then also we'll die.
But would you want to die? Or would you want your children to die? No, right? That
I
is
don't
where
know.
I don't think that you can't really fight with what you're trained with. That is human genetics. We want to survive no matter what.
No, I don't want any kind of cruelty happening to other species, because
It is you dying or long tall people at Pandora dying. Which one? Or sorry, it is your kid dying and tall people at Pandora dying. Which one will you choose? let us say the tall people in Pandora is fighting against you, your kid, let us say. Those two are actually in a fist fight. Would you say that, okay?
If they are not in fight,
Hmm.
then
This is a very arguable, debatable question.
no. If they are not fighting, now you tell me.
Yeah, if they're not fighting now. Yes, if my son goes out there and tries to kill tall people over there, I would say, son, you better die. Seriously. Because
This will happen, Ashish.
Hmm.
Maybe your grandchildren and their grandchildren,
Hmm.
they'll do one day.
I think there's something that is much more difficult that humans should do, and that is collaborate with these people instead of killing them.
Exactly.
Always, it might be much more
But
profitable.
Yeah, sure. Continue.
It might be much more profitable for you to just kill them out, but sometimes the right thing to do, because that never ends. Okay, it will continue, and at the end of that movie also, we see that ultimately humans got defeated because the whole planet gathered against them only.
It won't happen, Ashish. It
Hmm.
won't happen that we people are in like collaboration with the native species and like, okay, now we are friends.
So what
It's
happened?
not
No,
gonna happen.
at Mars right now the temperature is not suitable for human beings.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
and
they found one of our follower.
Hmm.
A girl was there and she just said that some bacteria are there which can produce methane
Hmm.
and oxygen can be like life can also be there because of
Yes,
that. One
yeah.
research
If
is
there is some place where
Yeah.
life is habitable,
Yeah.
the closest one is Mars only. So far,
Yeah.
whatever we have found out.
yeah.
But the thing is that the atmosphere itself is dying out because it is not having sufficient magnetic field over there to keep the atmosphere. So one commenter over here also said that atmosphere is fading out. So what they're thinking is that we can generate magnetic field. We can raise the temperature so that the ice is converted into water. But then the question comes, that can actually kill some species which are actually living right now on Mars. But they did not choose to do that, or not yet. Maybe they will choose to do, hey, those bacteria can die, we want to live, right? So life form is not always as simple as it is shown in Avatar. Okay, 2 hands, 2 legs, it looks similar to what we used to look earlier.
Yeah.
Life form is in any form.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah,
ready to kill bacteria? Humans, yeah, we don't really care. We step on ants all the time. Right?
Yeah.
So they will be saying we don't really care, and maybe that will be the beginning of ending a species,
Yeah.
because we were all unicellular once. Right?
Yes.
And that's another thing, that if you actually land on a planet, it is not only optimum place, optimum distance from the star, optimum temperature and optimum atmosphere, it is the optimum time, because there has been millions of years where there was no human being on Earth, and it has only been just like 4 million since humans have been around. So if you step on wrong time, then you are going to see nothing,
Yeah.
even if life would have existed over here later.
Yeah, it may be possible, Ashish, no? Like this thing, like something popped up in my mind that it can also be possible, no? Like with these conditions, with these atmospheric conditions and all environmental conditions, we are suitable for this environment. Like sun was born, like maybe sun was born at some time. Before that, maybe something else was there and another species were there who used to habitate maybe somewhere, not on Earth, like maybe somewhere there used to be species, and maybe like now sun is there and obviously sun will also die one day, right? And after that again something will happen, something will rise, and then according to that condition some new species will grow.
Yeah, that is very true.
Right.
But that will require time, because it took millions of years for
Like
us to take
I'm
this
just
form.
saying after million years.
Yeah, so that is the thing. The biggest problem is the less amount of time that we are having. If we were supposed to live for lakhs of years, then the universe was not that big, or we would have explored a bigger part of universe, and
Then we should focus more on like increasing the lifespan.
Yeah, but they are not able to do that so far. I heard a long time ago that there was one experiment in which they were able to triple the life of a rat.
And that is hidden, right?
Don't know it is hidden. It is pretty clear cut open. They have not tried it on humans. Maybe that is hidden.
Yeah, that is hidden, that they
hidden.
must be practicing it.
Yeah.
Right?
Maybe
And
somewhere
nobody
in
knows.
China, somewhere in Russia, maybe somewhere in
I
area.
have doubt on China.
Area. What was that? Area 59.
51.
Oh, sorry, 51. India is not having anything like that, right? India is cool about all those things. We are too much busy in our own politics now. We don't have time for
like
this.
we are busy in like Riya Chakrabarti case. We are busy in why Arnav Goswami was arrested, why Kangana Ranaut's house was demolished. You know, we are very much busy in these things. You know.
Yeah, it is important.